Hello students, today we will discuss the introduction part of economics. Okay, so I am going to introduce you to the microeconomics. So before going to start, first we should know the meaning of economics and the economy. So first we have to know what is the economics. So economics is a science of human behavior concerned with the allocation of scarce means in such a manner that consumer can maximize their satisfaction, producers can maximize their profits, and the society can maximize its social welfare. It means in here we discuss about the scarcity of resources or how we can utilize. What is the meaning of scarcity? Scarcity means what? When the more demand and less supply, then this is called the scarcity. So when scarcity is there, it means more demand, less supply, then how we can use this limited resource to get the maximum satisfaction. So this is the economics. Is it clear? So it means in here we discuss about the allocation of scarce resources to maximize our satisfaction. This is the economics. Then what is economy? System of interrelated production and consumption activities that ultimately determine the allocation of resources within a group. Okay, so economy, it means like those who are directly or indirectly related. Okay, so economy and the economics both are different. So economy means what? The system of interrelated production and consumption activities, and economics is what? Allocation of scarce resources so that we can properly use. Okay, economics and economy. Now you see the micro and the macroeconomics. So this microeconomics, this micro word is coming from the Greek word micros. Greek word micros, M-I-K-R-O-S. Okay, so this microeconomics, micro word is coming from the Greek word micros, which means the small. Is it? This micro word is coming from where? Greek word micros. It means the small. Microeconomics studies economic relationship or economic problems at the level of an individual. Okay, individual. For example, individual farm, individual household, individual customer. So it means in here we discussed about the individual part. Suppose you like apple. Okay, so this is the part of microeconomics. Ways the determination. It's very easy and simple. So part of microeconomics. Clear? Micro means small, and the micro word is coming from the Greek word micros. Okay, and what is the microeconomics? It means where we discussed about the individual part only, not as a whole. Easy? So ways the determination, price determination, these are the example of microeconomics. Then see the macroeconomics. Macroeconomics studies economic relationship or economic problems at the level of economy as a whole. So when we talk about the unemployment, so it means there are different types of unemployment: seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, then frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, educated unemployment. There are different types of unemployment. It's not that an easy topic. So that's why unemployment, national income, okay, increase inflation. So these things are the part of macroeconomics. It means the economy as a whole. And this macro word is coming from the Greek word macros, which means the large, which means the big. Is it clear? So now you see again micro. This word is coming from the Greek word micros, means small, where we discussed about the individual part. For example, wage determination and the price determination. Macro word is the coming from Greek word macros, means big, large, where we discussed the economy as a whole. Okay, so this one is the partial and this one is the general. So in here we discussed about the individual part, here we discussed as a whole. So for example, national income, unemployment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, these are the macroeconomics. Demand, individual demand, market demand, price determination, wage determination, these are the example of microeconomics, because this one is the small part, this one is the large. Clear? So this is the economics and economy, microeconomics and macroeconomics. So I hope you understood this lesson, but if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section below and I will talk to you there. Thank you.